Here we are looking at the front bezel of an SNA series heater. We will review the different functions and what is displayed on the digital controller. First, it's important to note that the CLE and SNA series heaters are safety heaters and they're factory preset to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and locked out. The reason the controls are locked out is because we don't want someone to accidentally or even intentionally adjust the temperature outside the ANSI tepid range. When the unit is in standby or hibernation mode, the display will be dark. Remember, we know we have power because the green power light is on. The display will not be powered up until water is flowing through the heater. We do this so we can save as much energy as possible when the unit is heating water. So now let's go ahead and activate the heater. We're simulating turning on a safety shower at this point. As you can see by the digital control, on the bottom is the set point temperature, in this case 80 degrees highlighted in green. On top is the output temperature, and you can see that that temperature is starting to climb on its way to 80 degrees. You can see from the home screen that the heater has now hit its set point temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The buttons used to adjust the temperature up and down on this SNA series heater have been disabled, as well as the easy button. However, there is some functionality with the advanced key. The advanced key lets you scroll through and see our control mode is set at auto, and the heat power is about 75% capacity of this heater model. One more push of the button returns you to the home screen. As you can see, that is all there is to a digital controller on a CLE or SNA series heater. Since the temperature is locked in, there's really nothing to it. So now that you've seen the control on a safety heater, let's show you how the digital controller works on our non-safety heaters. Now the up-down arrows are operational, and you can adjust your temperature up by simply hitting the up arrow, or down by hitting the down arrow. The easy key allows you to quickly turn the heater off or turn the heater back on. Now we'll talk about the advanced button. This allows you to cycle through different screens on the controller. First up, we have control mode, typically set in the auto setting. You can turn it off or back to manual. In most cases, you're going to want to have the auto setting displayed. Next, we show the heat power. In this particular case, the heater is demonstrating 100% capacity. The control set point allows you to adjust temperature to the heater when water is not flowing through the unit. So now we'll lower it to 115 degrees. And when we return to the home screen, you'll see that new set point set there. Finally, you can toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit simply by hitting the up and down keys. This button is known as the infinity key, but it takes you back home to the home screen, where you can now see the new setting of 115 degrees Fahrenheit.